Let's make super fast and easy Instant Pot pho. Come on. First up, we have our Instant Pot, and I have an entire chicken carcass that I had previously deboned. We're gonna put that entire carcass inside our Instant Pot because we want all that good, rich flavor. Next up, let's start with our aromatics. On an open flame, I charred half an onion and a lot of ginger, so that's gonna go right in our Instant Pot. When I said that this is the spice mix that you absolutely need for pho, I'm going to toast these in a pan and then put them in the bag. Put your spice bag right down in there. Now, I have a handful of rock sugar. You can use regular sugar if you'd like, but this is more traditional. You can get it from the Asian grocery store and it kind of looks like this. Next up, some fish sauce. You want to be careful with this because it is salty, and afterward we are going to add some pho base and some chicken bouillon, so be sparing. Now we're going to add water, and see, I filled it with water. Now lid on, and make sure you have it locked and not vented because you do want this to pressure cook. Put it on for 1 hour. The timer just went off. It's been in for an hour, so we're going to do a quick release. So what we do is we do the release, and I like to put a rag over it. It just keeps the steam from going all over the place. Let this just release until the pot opens. This has clicked open. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. So I'm going to strain all of this and then put it back in so that I can add additional ingredients. I fine mesh strained this, and now I'm going to put in some of this pho broth. So I took out, it comes with its own spice packet, but again, the other spice packets are a little bit better just from what I hear. And then I'm gonna put a big scoop of this in. It has the texture of almost like kinetic sand, if you know what that is. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put some of this granulated chicken broth in there. It looks like literal granules, not a ton. And then when it comes up to a boil, I'm going to taste it and see what other things I'm gonna add, okay? This broth is incredible. Yes. These are the fresh pho noodles that I'm gonna be using. I'm just going to have boiling water, and you dip them in for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you put them right in the bowl. These are the sides. We have dark meat chicken, we have white meat chicken, we have some sliced onions, and then we have some cilantro. I didn't do bean sprouts because no one wanted them, so this is what we're gonna have with our pho. Pho noodles are here. I have hubby here, so he's going to make his bowl. We have dark meat chicken, we have white meat chicken, we have onions, we have cilantro, we have sriracha, of course, and we have the hoisin sauce. This is actually garlic hoisin sauce, and of course the broth.
Here's, okay, well, I'm just trying not to be, but I like onion. It's white meat. Okay, I'm gonna put this
The broth.
broth in. I like a lot of broth.
Well, you should. It's pho.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a soup. Add you some more.
Alright.
You can get very much chicken.
I'm gonna get more. I just didn't want it to overflow after. And then more onion.
And we also didn't do jalapeno because he was like, I don't want the spicy for now.
But we also have in the fridge, right?
Oh yeah, we have pickled sweet jalapeno.
Yeah, but I love this. Is like my favorite like sauce to put in here.
You gotta have the hoisin sauce for your pho.
And I don't like spice, but I can take a little bit of this. Not a lot, but just a tad.
All right, I'm gonna taste the broth and see what it
Taste
gives.
the broth.
First time trying the chicken pho, so we'll see.
Yeah, it's good. Very good.
I can tell when he likes these. And then, you know, this is so thick and viscous, like those bones really, really like came together. Anyways, oh, you can't see me. Thank you so much for making pho with us. I love you guys so much. And if it's so easy, like if I can do it, you can do it. And this is done in an Instapot. So that gives you all day cooking. All right, I love you guys. Bye.